Your forecast first for tonight: rain or snow possible overnight, light precipitation, 32 for an overnight low. In general, our snow level around 3,000 feet. Tomorrow morning, snow or rain. When we wake up tomorrow morning, it'll probably be down around 2,500 feet. So that would be snow on some of the higher benches. If you see that snow accumulating briefly, it will not be for long. A high temperature of 37 degrees. And again, anything that we do see will be light. Our high today, 37 degrees. 32 is our average high. Pretty impressive record back in 1964, 20 degrees below zero. 3:59 was our sunset time with a trace of precipitation at the airport. It is 36 degrees right now in Spokane. Dew point is at 33, and patchy fog is a possibility again tonight. Northeast winds at 7 miles per hour. 36 right now in Coeur d'Alene with northeast winds at 7 miles per hour. Doppler radar shows the light precipitation happening around the region right now. Looks like we're drying out in Spokane, but that is not the trend. Additional, just very weak disturbances moving through a southerly flow will keep a chance of wet weather going primarily through tomorrow morning, and then I think we'll get a break. Snow levels flirting with the valleys. Again, as I mentioned earlier in the broadcast, we've had reports of snow in Spirit Lake. Some of those northern valleys may continue to see the snow as one weak disturbance keeps the precipitation going through tomorrow morning. We do have more wet weather waiting in the wings, lots of W's there, and I'll add windy to go along with this system that will initially send a cold front our way on Saturday, a stronger storm on Sunday, bringing mostly rain to the valleys. Rain or snow overnight tonight. Snow in general around 3,000 feet. Overnight lows bottoming out right around freezing. Mostly cloudy for Omak and Moses Lake. Fog dense in the Columbia Basin at times. Rain or snow possible around Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, particularly in the morning. Up to 2 inches of snow in the mountains of northeast Washington and North Idaho tomorrow. Up to an inch in the central panhandle above 3,000 feet. Mostly rain down in the Palouse and the LC Valley. Here is your 7-day forecast. Rain and snow in the forecast, but that snow is not going to be the kind that you have to snow blow or call out the plows for. Above average temperatures and then a wet, windy weekend. Heading up into the 40s for Saturday and Sunday, a windy Sunday. Okay, so Wednesday is Christmas Eve. Don't get excited. Don't take this to the bank.
Okay.
Don't tell your neighbors. But right now it looks like we may cool down and get a little bit of snow on Wednesday.